Good morning. Today we're going to show you how to make tomato sauce or tomato juice out of tomatoes to get them processed on your own. You just start with some fresh tomatoes. I like to take them outside, hose them off here a little bit, and then just take the stem off, cut them in half like so. And what we're using here is old tomatoes, all the stuff that we didn't sell, and it works just fine. Yours will probably be a lot prettier, but anyway, you just half them. That just gets the tomato so we can cook it down. And then if we roll over here, what we've got is a pot of tomatoes cooking that we've already taken from the bucket and thrown into the pot, and we just let them cook down. And what happens is that skin will shrink, and it'll actually cook all of the pulp and the meat out of the middle, and we'll just be left with skin and seeds. And we'll let these cook here, and I'll show you what we're after here. And then I've got a second pot over here cooking. And this is actually the juice. This is what's called a squeezo, and you have to have this to do tomato sauce or juice the way we're showing you here today. So you just take a dip of these cooked tomatoes here, put them in the squeezo like so. And what that does is it'll take out all of the pulp and just leave the skin and the seeds, and all the juice and meat of the tomato will go through that fine screen and into this bottom pot. And these haven't actually cooked long enough. They should cook probably another 10 or 15 minutes, and you won't have near the time processing here that I do. But as you can see, what you got left is just some skin and some seeds. And then I just discard that right there for now. And then what you have left is this juice that's ready to put in a jar. And I just use a brand new clean canning jar. I like this pot with the faucet on it. Makes life real simple. And then what you got there is just pure 100% juice. Now if you want to make V8 juice or something, then you go ahead and cook down your onions and your other vegetables and process them. There you have it. There's 100% tomato juice. Real simple. And then what you do with that is fill those, and then you put them in a water bath or a pressure cooker and cook them for about 30 minutes. You can read in a Ball or Kerr canning book. It'll tell you the time to process your tomatoes. So that's pretty simple. Once again, we just start with a whole tomato. We cut them up like so. We add them to the pot, cook them down just like that. Put the lid on. Once they're cooked down, we take the squeezo here over the other pot, put them in, process them. We've got the juice, and that's it. Pretty simple. Happy canning.